Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Itlab Genius. In today's session, we are taking a chapter 11th of recently launched Excel 2022 course, focusing on XP22 Excel chapter 11, Cumulative Assessment Variation Accountants. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can turn your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, and complete course through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description. Let me know if you need help in any course. Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Assess, Accounting, Finance, Math. Please contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Let's start our assignment to solve step by step. Okay, focusing on title of assignment XP22 Excel chapter 11 cumulative assessment variation accountants. Here's project description. You can get idea about your project to see your project description. Okay, customer one is that start Excel, download and open the file name. Basically, in this question, we will have to download Excel workbook from Itlab dashboard. I have already downloaded Excel workbook from Itlab dashboard. You can download your Excel workbook from Pearson Itlab dashboard and your school dashboard. Okay. Okay, sorry, enable editing first, then we will start this assignment. Okay, now moving on customer 2. Customer 1 is completed now. Customer 1 is complete. Customer 2 is that customer 2 is that in cell D2 enter 2007 to and 1018 then 10 and use flash fill to complete the pattern to create the remaining ads in the range D3 to D26. Basically, in this step, we will have to enter this date in cell D2 2007, 108 and 10 and then flash fill to complete the pattern to create the remaining ads. Okay, moving on Excel workbook and click on cell D2. Moving on Excel workbook and click on cell D2 and enter this date. Enter this date 2007 1018 then 10. Okay, then press enter and then use flash fill to the sequence. Double click on this or click on this and go to flash fill 2007, sorry, and this range 10 018 and then 10. Okay, click on this and go to flash fill. Okay, it will be flash fill 2 or sequence. I have done this question. I have done 2 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 3. Question number 3 is that select the range E2 to E26 and convert text to columns using space as the delimiter. Okay, basically in this question we will select this range first and then we will convert columns text to column. Okay, select this range. Okay, select this range and go to Excel workbook. Okay, select E2 then go to Excel workbook. Convert text to column. Convert text to column and using space as the delimiter, go to data tab and convert text to column is here, text to column. Go to text to column group. Okay, it will be converted and then Okay, convert to decimal column is then next. Okay, then is using as the delimiter or using as space to the space, select space. Okay, select space, then next. Okay, then finish. It's done. This question is completed now. I have done this question. I have done 3 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 4. Question number 4 is that in cell G2, insert the text join function to join the last name and the first name for the first accountant using a comma and space as the delimiter. The name should display as Adams Camel. Copy the function range G3 to G26. Basically, in this step we will have to enter a function in cell G2 text join function. Okay, moving on Excel workbook, click on cell G2, enter as text join function. Text join function is that text join function is equal to then enter text join function text. Okay, text join function, and then enter a formula. First we select this function, then enter a formula is inverted commas. Okay, true. We will enter a statement is that true. Okay, F2 E2, then press enter, and it will be shown value last first. Okay, Adam's camel. Okay, Adam's camel, it will be shown here. I have done this question. First we enter a function, text join function, then enter a formula in the statement, then it will be shown value. The name should display as Adam column. Copy the function to the range G6 to G23. Basically, okay, copy the function G3 to G26. Now copy this function. Okay, this function will be copied here. Done. This question is completed now. I have done 4 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 5. Question number 5 is that in cell K2 use the mid function to extract the area code for the phone number for the first employees. In K2 use the mid function. Okay, the start number argument should be the position of first digit in the area code to avoid including the opening opening parenthesis. Make sure the function extract the 3-digit area code. Copy the function. Okay, basically in this step we will enter a mid function in cell K2. Moving on Excel workbook and enter a mid function in cell K2. Okay, and K2 and enter a mid function. Okay, then enter a formula. First we enter a mid function, then we will have enter a formula 12 of 1 0 1. Okay, then press enter. Okay, it will be shown area code 305, and then copy the function range K3 to K26. copy the range K3 to K26. Double click on this. Okay, copy this function. I have done this question. You can see here I have done 5 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 6. Okay, it's done. Now moving on question number 6. Question number 6 is that in cell M2 use the proper function to display the first city name in upper and lowercase. Copy the function to the range M3 to M26. Basically in this step we will have to enter a proper function in cell M2 to display the total city name in upper and lower case. Okay, moving on Excel workbook. You can read this section. Okay, then we will apply on Excel workbook. Okay, moving on Excel workbook and click on cell M2. Okay, is equal to, then we will enter a function. Which function? You can see, you can proper function is equal to, then enter a proper function, then enter a formula is here. Enter a formula in here. Okay, L2, then press enter. It will be find city Miami. Okay, it will be find city. Copy the function to the range M3 to M26. Copy this function, copy the function to the range M3 to M26. Double click on this and function will be copy M2 to M26. Okay, it will be shown all city name. It will be shown all city names in here. Okay, I have done this question. You can see I have done 6 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 7. 6 questions completed now. Question number 7 is that use the range A1 to M1 and paste it into range A28 to M28. Enter tax accounting and Miami in the respective cells on rows 29. Enter tax accountant and columns in the respective cells on row 30. Choose column M. Okay, copy this. First we select this range A1 to M and then copy this range. Okay, and then paste into A28. Okay, here is pasted now. Then copy and paste in A28. Then enter tax accountant and Miami in cell respective cell on row 29. Okay, then tax accounting, copy and paste in here. Tax accountant and city is Miami. Okay, respective one. Here is city. Click on city and Miami is here. Copy and paste in Miami. Okay, Miami. Done. Then tax accountant and city is Columbus. Okay, city is Columbus in here. Enter tax accountant and Columbus. Okay, respectively on use column M for the city names. Okay, it's done. I have done 7 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 8. Question number 8 is that click or select a cell within the database data set. Select A1 M26 at the list. Enter the criteria range you defined in the previous step and step A32 to M32 for the location for the copied records. Click or select within. Okay, insert tab. Click on insert tab. Page layout. Sorry. Okay, go to page. Go to data and advanced filter, copy to another location, faster list and replace. Here is list range. List range is that A1, list range is that A1 to M26. A1 to M26 is list range, and then A1 to M26 is list range, and then enter the criteria range you defined previously step A32 to M32 for the location of the copy records. Okay, moving on Excel workbook. Then criteria range is that A32 to A28 to M30. A28 to M30 is a criteria range. Okay, is this range. Then copy to the another location. Copy to another location A32 to M32 or the copy records. A32 to M32 for location for copied record. Okay, A32 to copy to criteria location. Another location is that A32. Select this A32 to M32. Okay, it's done. Then press OK. Then press OK. It will be shown table here. Okay, it's done. This question is done. You can see here values all. You can see your table in this ranges. Okay, done. You can see I have done 8 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 9. Question number 9 is that in cell P2 insert the dmax function. Okay, basically in this question we will have enter a function dmax function in cell P2. Dmax function in cell P2. Okay, click on cell P2. High series. Okay, number and columns text content is equal to dmax function. Dmax function. Okay, and then enter a formula A1 to M, enter ranges A1 to M26, then press enter. Sorry, A1 to M26, then salary dmax function, enter a formula, then statement is here A28 M30, then press enter, and value will be shows high series here in cell P2. Then press enter. Okay, value will be shown here high series in gamma and columns to accounted in cell P2 94,700. Okay, done. This question is completed now. This formula you can see formula, you will put your PC and you will find values. High salary. It's done, it's good. I have done 9 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 10. Question number 10 is that in cell P3 insert a D main function, D minimal function. Okay, you want to identify the lowest salary of tax accountant of gamma and columns. Okay, we will basically in this step we will have to enter a function D main function in cell P3. D main function in cell P3. Okay, click on cell P3 and is equal to enter a function D main function, D minimum function. and then we will have to enter a formula. Okay, then we will have to enter given function, then we will enter a formula a1 to m26. Okay, then salary. Okay, then statement is that a2 to a28 to a m30, 28 to m30. First we enter a formula d main function, then enter formula a1 to m26 and the statement salary and a28 to m30, then press enter. It will be shown value of low salary. Okay, press enter. Okay, it will be show value of low salary is that 85,450. Okay, it's done. You can see here I have done this question. I have done 10 question of this assignment. Now moving on question number 11. Question number 11 is that in cell P8 insert the digit function to extract the correct salary. Basically in this step we will enter a function in cell P8 digit function to extract correct salary. Okay, moving on Excel workbook. You can read this section and follow up on Excel workbook. Reply. Okay, P8. Moving on Excel workbook, click on cell P8. Digit function, then first we will enter a function, then enter a formula a1 to m26, then salary, then accountant salary, this statement, and then D5 to DB6, then press enter and value will be shown here, accountant salary, then press enter. Okay, first we will enter a digit function, then enter a formula and then press enter and you will get value in here. Okay, is okay, done. I have done 13 question of this assignment. For remaining question or you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description and shows on my PC screen. I will provide you A+ grade in your exam, quizzes, assignments and complete course. Let me know if you need help in any courses. Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, accounting, finance, math and many more. Please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Both are shown on my PC screen and given in description. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Best of luck.